Today, we are going to start by learning about the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system has more parts than the female and is sometimes hard for kids to remember. The easiest way to remember not just the names of all the parts, but also the function of each body part is to simply follow the pathway of sperm out of the body. We start down here in the testicles, and we come up, loop around, and then the sperm leaves the penis. The first part of the male reproductive system that we're going to start with is the scrotum. The scrotum is right here. And if you were to trace the scrotum and draw a little bow, you may see that it actually resembles something. Well, at least it does for me anyway. The scrotum very much looks like a sack, because it is, similar to Santa's sack. What does Santa's sack hold? Gifts. The scrotum doesn't hold gifts exactly. Instead, it holds the testicles. That might be an easy way for you to remember, though, is that it looks like a sack. Think Santa. So, inside the scrotum, we have the testicles. The testicles are very, very important. The function of the testicles is that they make sperm. After the sperm is made in the testicles, it travels to the epididymis. The epididymis sits along the top and back side of the testicles and is a series of long, tiny tubes that are coiled together. In the epididymis, the sperm go there and they are stored, where they can become stronger and are matured until they are ready to be released. Think of the epididymis as the sperm weight room. Once a man is ready to ejaculate, the sperm will move from the epididymis into this long tube that loops up through the man's abdomen. The name of this tube is the vas deferens. When thinking of what the function of the vas deferens is, remember, it's a tube. Just like a garden hose is a tube that carries water, the vas deferens is also a tube. And trying to remember what the vas deferens carries, follow it back down to where it came from, the testicles. Because it came from the testicles, the vas deferens must carry sperm. As the sperm moves up and through the vas deferens, it loops through the abdomen and comes into contact with the next three glands, the seminal vesicle, the prostate gland, and the Cowper's gland. These three glands all create fluids that make up semen. Semen is the white, milky fluid that mixes with the sperm when a man ejaculates. As the sperm mixes with the semen, it continues to move down the tube and now enters the part of the tube called the urethra. The function of the urethra, then, is to carry both sperm and semen out of the body. The final part of the male reproductive system is the penis. The penis is the male sex organ.